Good morning, Roadrunners, and thanks for tuning in to the RRD News Show. Today is Tuesday, September the 15th, and as we begin our day, please pause for a minute of silence. Now, please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
So, good morning. In Rolling Ridge News today, please remember that the Rolling Ridge Book Bus starts on Monday, September the 21st. That's next Monday. You can request books from the library using the Rolling Ridge book request form that will be found at the top of your Schoology library page. Also, please remember that meals can be picked up at Rolling Ridge every day today from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. Today's weather should be beautiful and sunny with a high of 71 degrees and a low of 47 degrees. It's Tuesday Tech Tip Day, and I have a great tech tip for everyone who wants to request a library book from the book bus. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your Tuesday Tech Tip. Today's tech tip is about the book request form to ask for library books from the Rolling Ridge Book Bus. I'm on my Schoology library page. It doesn't matter which grade level you're in, you will be able to find all of the Rolling Ridge library links on your Schoology library page. Click on the green book request form button, and this takes us to the book request form. It says, please use this form to request books from our library. You may choose from 1 to 5 books. In order for us to get the books to the right people, we need information from you. So you need to tell us your grade level. You need to tell us your first and your last name. And most important, you need to tell us your lunch library computer number, your student ID number. This is the same number you would use when you're checking books out from the library with Mrs. Boulware. The next question is, what types of books do you want? If you know the title of the books that you want, you can click right here and it will skip the next section. But if you're not sure what kind of books, it says not sure, it says please choose some for me. I'm going to click next and go to the categories page. Here are all the different categories that we have. We have animals and cars, cats and dinosaurs, dogs and friends, bunny, Lego, mystery, princesses, scary, sports, and even some picture books. I also have a section that says other, so you could choose some of those. So I know I want a dinosaur book today, and I think I want a book about friends, and I could also, maybe I want a picture book. And maybe I'm not sure, I didn't want just animals, but maybe I want a book just about tigers. So I can actually type in that I want a book about tigers right here. So I've made some book selections and I'm going to click next. On the next page, this is a place where you could type in a specific kind of book. So maybe you wanted a Dogman book. And if you want a Dogman and you type in Dogman, it's going to just give you whatever Dogman book Ms. Boulware is able to find. But if I know I want Dogman number 5, I can put that right there. And let's put in our author's name so that Ms. Boulware will be easy for them to find. Maybe I want an Elephant and Piggy book. I just put in elephant and piggy, Miss Boulware is going to hand me any elephant and piggy book that she can find. But if I know I want the book, We Are in a Book, then I'm going to get the elephant and piggy book that is called We Are in a Book. So once I've made my selections on this page, I'm going to also click Next. And here's where you tell Mrs. Boulware and I how you want to get the book. So we're going to set up curbside pickup at school on Wednesday afternoons from 2 to 2:30. These will start on Wednesday, September the 23rd. And if you want to walk over and pick your books up from school, that's the book selection you would make. But maybe you want to get your books from the book bus. Remember, these are going to be on Mondays, starting on Monday, September 21st. So I'm going to click on the book bus, and then I'm going to go to Next. Here are the book bus stops. Rolling Ridge has 8 book bus stops, and you need to talk to mom and dad or a grown-up at your house so you know which book stop is the closest for you to walk to pick up your library books. Ms. Boulware will be on the book bus, and she will make sure you get your books. You can also walk onto the bus one at a time as long as you have brought and worn a mask. Ms. Boulware will give you a quick moment to get on the bus and make some book selections. And we are so looking forward to being able to get lots of books to you from the book bus and at curbside pickup. If you have any questions, Mrs. Shea has office hours on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays from 2:30 to 3. You can click on the Any Questions Office Hours with Mrs. Shea, and that's how you can get to Mrs. Shea's Google Meet and ask me any questions. Look forward to seeing you for the book bus. Today's question of the day is from Charles in Ms. Gully's class, and he asks, what is your favorite hobby? Well, Charles, my favorite hobby is reading. Of course it is. And remember to share your favorite hobby with someone at home, either in a friend or in your family. Just remember to share. So let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, bully free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Thanks so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day, Roadrunners.